Hi everyone, my name is Julia, and today I'm going to be giving you my first ever tutorial on career fair prep. That's going to be everything you need to know to succeed at your next career fair. Why should you go to the career fair? Well, 73% of the participating companies at the fall 2017 Rutgers University Career Fair hired during the fair. There were 4,486 vacancies, and those are jobs that could be going to you. Step 1 would be dressing the part. What you wear says a lot about you and who you are, and how you'll act in a work setting if you were to work for this company. First impressions are everything, so you should definitely be dressing professionally. Women's dress includes a navy or black suit with matching fabric. That can be a skirt suit, or it can also be a pantsuit like the one pictured. Underneath your blazer, you should be wearing a white button-up, and you should be wearing closed-toe shoes. That can be either flats or heels, as long as the heel is not too high. You should not be having any excessive accessories. That includes dark makeup or blingy jewelry. You want to be trying to look as standard as possible. For men, it's a navy or black suit, and your belt and shoes should match, and you should be wearing a tie. As far as your resume goes, I've provided an example of mine on the right side of the screen here. You can see that I've listed education, work experience, leadership experience and activities, and skills and abilities. Your resume should be no more than one page, and it should always list your contact information. A structured format is important, and you should only be showing your GPA if it's above a 3.0. It's definitely important to list your contact information. I like to stress that one because if an employer were to want to hire you, they need your contact information to be readily available. And if it's not, then they may not call you to hire you. And you would never want that to be the reason why you didn't get the job. Next, I'm going to be showing you a video on your elevator pitch. This is a way that you can format the correct way to do an elevator pitch that'll put you in the best position to get the job.
How to perfect the elevator pitch. If you happen to run into your ideal employer or business partner in an elevator, or anywhere else for that matter, you'll have about 30 seconds or less to wow them. Here's how to do it. You will need skills or ideas, a list of descriptive phrases, a description of your qualifications, and practice. Optional, a mirror. Step 1. Brainstorm a list of phrases that describe you, and cross off any cliches or catchphrases. Keep only the most unique and honest statements. Step 2. Craft a description of qualifications that you can share in 30 seconds or less. Write the pitch like you speak. This will make it easier to deliver and make it sound more authentic. Step 3. Practice your pitch on friends and family. Ask for feedback and adjust your pitch. It will become natural by doing it over and over. Use a mirror to pitch yourself. If you can't look yourself in the eye, how can you engage someone else? Step 4. Make your pitch about the needs of your listener. Talk about the problems facing their industry that you are uniquely positioned to solve. Step 5. Describe your value in solving these problems. Step 6. Allow room for dialogue. Most people don't like to be talked at, so be conversational and show an interest in them. Step 7. Ask for something, a business card, a phone call, or permission to send your resume. The point of your pitch is to break the ice and generate interest, but you need to ask for the next step. Did you know, as of 2009, the Taipei Financial Center in Taiwan featured the world's fastest elevator, running at a top speed of 39 miles per hour.
So that was a little bit on how you should be formulating your elevator pitch, and I think that was a really helpful video to do so. Closing thoughts on this tutorial would be yourself, be prepared, and be outgoing. As long as you're these three things, you should have a great chance at getting the job, and it will definitely make your experience at a career fair way better and way more productive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my website, www.arunetworking.wordpress.com, for more helpful tips to grow your network.